Bye. My friend bought me this, like, in her mini goodies. She got me this, like, curly, like, Lego set. So let's do it together. Long story short, I did not last that long. I only took like 45 minutes to do from instruction number 1 to 5 because it couldn't stay together. It kept breaking off, like, and it doesn't stick properly, and I got so pissed off halfway, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna do the rest next time. I'm gonna go start with my day. Okay, so I'm making this recipe that I saw on TikTok called Cantonese minced beef dish. It just stated that Cantonese styled minced beef dish. So I'm gonna try to like do that way, except there are like a few things that I don't have, like tomato paste, and I only had like probably one quarter of ketchup left. So I was just doing it based on whatever I have left and like whatever's in my fridge. So technically it's like Cantonese styled minced beef, but ikas version. My version, because at some point I just started to like just rely on my cooking skills, which worked out really great, honestly. My dad complimented my cooking. My siblings said it was good, so I didn't ask my mom yet. I'm gonna ask her later on, but they said it was really good, so that was a success overall. As long as it tastes good, then you know it's a success. Kaika.
Kau buat apa? Kau masak apa?
The carrots. No, you can make it super brown. please put your babies in. This chicken loaf. Oh my god. This is actually so freaking cute. Bought this at Amazon for like I think 56. I was asking my friends what type should I get. Would I should get like the sippy cup one, like the sippy one, or like the normal like turn and drink kind, the gulp kind. But it's so pretty. Look at this. I actually like white because like I thought white would be a pretty color. There's like the light blue one, but I was like kind of meh about it. So yeah, I love it. So cute.